This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis for gold, US dollar currency pairs. When we look at the economical events planned for Monday, 4th July, we have one high impacting news on Swiss franc. Apart from that, we have only low impacting news planned, and also we have bank holiday for USD, so we can expect low volatility in the USD related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. So I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and will be sharing you the current support and trend of the price action. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. So I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the past trend of the price action, I'm drawing a channel pattern. So from this level, it started trending on a bullish side, and we can clearly notice that the price action has taken support on this trend line or the support line, and it is still trading above the support line. So based on the past price action trend, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish side because it has not broken this support line or the trend line. So the current price action is still following the past price action trend. When we closely analyze the current trend of the price action, I am again drawing a channel pattern. So according to this bearish channel pattern, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. So when we look at the price action, it was on a bullish trend. Then from here, it started falling on a bearish trend reversal. And every time it tested this resistance line, we have noticed is to trend back and to fall on a bearish trend. Again, we are noticing the current price action to take support on the bullish channel pattern from the past price action. And if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. So when we ask the question whether the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend or in a bullish trend, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. Currently it has taken support on the previous bullish channel pattern support line, and it is on a retracement. As long as the price action doesn't break this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, it will still be a bearish trend. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the previous bullish channel pattern. So these are all the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. And currently we have noticed the price action to take support on the support level of 1786 and make a retracement. The immediate resistance in daily time frame is going to be around 1824. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1856. As long as the price action doesn't break the level of 1877, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. Currently it is a retracement that it is making. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1786 in order to take trades on the bearish side. Next level of support is going to be around 1761, and also it will be breaking the bullish channel pattern which it was respecting in the past. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, in the past we have noticed the price action to take support around the support level of 1786. Then it bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. Again we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal from the resistance level of 1876, and we are noticing the price action to trade continuously on the bearish trend. Currently we are having the higher time frame support level of 1786, which is preventing the price action from falling further on the bearish trend reversal. Once this support level is broken, we can expect a sharp fall on the bearish side. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this support level, we can expect a similar price action to be repeated, which means from this level it went on a bullish trend reversal. Again we can expect the price action to go on a bullish trend reversal from this support level. For this it has to break the resistance level of 1824. And if it doesn't manage to break this resistance level, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support level. And finally trend down on the bearish side, because we can notice a bullish trend getting weaker and weaker every time it retraces on the bullish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. Here for the hourly time frame also I am drawing a bearish channel pattern, and we have noticed a price action to momentarily break this bearish channel pattern support line, and it has made a sharp recovery once it touched the support level of 1786, which is from the higher time frame. So from this price action we can understand that this support level of 1786 is a very strong support level. And if the price action trends on the bullish side also, we can expect it to bounce back from the higher time frame resistance level of 1824, and also it is the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. So if you want to take trades on the bearish side, wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance line in order to take a trade on the bearish side, because overall price action or the trend in hourly time frame is on a bearish side. I would recommend you to always trade with the trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame, and we have the higher time frame resistance level of 1824 and support level around the level of 1786. Currently the price action is in a retracement. It is not a bullish trend reversal, it is only on a retracement. And the overall trend in hourly time frame is in a bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So in 30 minutes time frame, when we look at the price action, previously the price action was in a very nice downtrend and took support around the support level of 1785, and currently it is making a bullish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame. We have noticed a similar price action in the past also. Here also we have noticed a price action to make a steep fall on the bearish trend reversal. Then it made a very sharp retracement. So here also we are noticing a similar price action. I am drawing a resistance line for 30 minutes time frame. So currently we are noticing the price action testing this previous resistance line. So if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to continue its bullish rally and to test the higher time frame resistance level of 1824. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend. So I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this to understand the current trend of the price action, and whenever the price action breaks this support line or the trend line, you can take trades on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. Again we are noticing the price action to respect this support line from the 30 minutes time frame, and also I am drawing a resistance line for the 5 minutes time frame. And currently we are noticing the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side, and if the price action breaks this support line, wait for the price action to break the previous low in order to take trades on the bearish side. Currently the price action is consolidating. Wait for a directional breakout to take a directional trade. let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. We have come to end of today's analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.